Alright guys, this is Toyota Prius 2012 and the trunk locker was stuck in locked even when I opened the trunk door, and this actuator was very dirty with sandy and so a lot of dirties. And this small lever had like a plastic cover. This one had like a plastic cover that I cleaned it up everything when I like melted the sand with the WD and clean it up everything like that, all the sandy and dirties, and I took it out the plastic cover, those pieces. So, and then now the actuator is free. Look, before I clean it, it was stuck on this position. Look, because it's not locked at all. It's locked, but before, when I unlock it, this lever was stuck on that position, this position. Look, like this. And now it's free to open all the way. Okay, and I just took it out the plastic cover and cleaned all the sandy and dirties, and now it's good. Look, okay, that's it. Thank you for watching.